Alrighty then, pack opening time. I have this account with 97 packs. Quite a lot. And then I also have my PlayStation account, which has a few more packs, so I don't know how many I have in total, but it's in the title, so let's just get started. Alright, while I'm opening these, I am gonna talk about my subscriber count, because for some reason over 100 of y'all have decided to join me in my garbage clips. This account was literally just made to put my clips online so I have more storage on my PC. But apparently you guys like it, so, you know. I was thinking about doing an actual series, you know, a ranked series. Ooh, this one is pretty clean. Ranked series in which I only use Ella and Sophia. And the account name is called Siege Sisters. I already have it on level 50. So tell me if you guys would like to see that. It would be kind of a fast-paced match style. So that I kind of rush through matches and don't stick around for 30 minutes per match. Because that sounds boring as hell. So yeah, that's a ranked series idea I've got. But I do have to post a lot more clips, because currently on this account I'm Emerald 5 is my highest from last season, and my clips are still around Plat 3 from season 2 from year 7. So I'm going to have to start posting a lot more clips, or I'm gonna have to put them in like long video form. Alright, last esports pack. Ooh. Alright, next up, the Snowball packs, 3 of these. Ooh! Okay, I think I have the full set, I'm not sure. Sea Defenders, Vigil. No, I don't have the headgear, but I do have the gun skin. Headgear. I mean, I guess that fits. Alright, yeah, that fits. Alright, the blue. I'll take that. I don't use rock, but sure. And the perp. Okay, great. Yeah, no, great for Blackbeard. Really useful. Oh. Beginner packs. Let's go. Epic. Oh, I also got this one on PlayStation, which you guys will see later. My PlayStation video recording quality is quite a bit worse. I'll say that right now. So, prepare yourself mentally for that. Okay, this is the Ying set, if I'm correct. Oh wow, cool card. The full Ying set, sure, I'll equip it. Because I don't have anything for her yet. Oh, what? Okay. Wait. Yo! Don't tell me that this is... Wait. Huh? Yes! Oh yeah! Oh, it's universal. Fuck yeah. That's awesome. And the full Ying set. Hell yeah. Red Hammer packs. Like the ugliest skins ever. If somebody actually bought out of these packs, I'll eat my PC. Oh no, shit! I wanted to keep the Brave packs for last. Okay, I got trash anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, so let's do the Alpha packs. I'm gonna cut out all of the common and rares because, you know, it's way too much of this crap. If you guys would like it, I could also do an ooh, hello! Sexy! My god, mute! Buy me dinner first! But I could also do a series about random operators. Oh, thanks for the duplicate. But random operators. Oh, that's pretty nice. Although I don't use Kavera. And it's kind of sticks out like a sore thumb. So that's not great. But I could do a series where I do random operators in ranked on this account, which could be pretty fun. Okay. That's a pretty decent skin. Legendary. Okay, I think I already have this one. No, I don't. Okay. Okay. That's a cool Gun 6 skin. Oh, epic. Okay, what do I want? Any secondary? The Bailiff Black Ice or like the Super Shorty Black Ice? Those. Okay, that's not either of those. Plus I have a Black Ice with that gun, so. The Bailiff Black Ice and the Shorty Black Ice is what I want. Hello! Okay, fine. But I don't use this gun, ever. Oh, Black Ice! Let's go! Haha! So funny, haha! And 4-leaf clover. How cool. That's so fun. Equipped to all. Psych! I don't use charms. Charms are cringe. I mean, this is a pretty clean skin for a gun that nobody uses. Dude, there's so much seasonal headgear and uniforms. Like, what am I supposed to do with this? This isn't even a seasonal headgear. But what am I supposed to do with this? I mean, it's just a waste of time. What's not a waste of time is this Black Ice. What did I tell you? Him! Right here. Oh. Okay. Black Ice. Ha. Okay, let's go! No. Dude, why do they even give you duplicate seasonal trash? Like, I don't want that. Also, my mouse just disconnected. Great. I'm gonna have to fix that. Rubber ducky. Nobody cares. Nobody wants a charm out of your epic. Also, will my mouse stop disconnecting, please? It's annoying. Oh, wait, I already have this one. Yeah. Ooh, baby! Yeah! Okay, fine. I'll take it. Hello. Never mind. Trash. Trash! Okay. This shit, I feel it. This is Montane Black Ice. Shit. Okay. I feel it. This is R4C Black Ice. Psych, you can't get that anymore. At least somebody told me so. Great, another rubber ducky. Great. Yeah, real fun. This is really what I want when I see Epic. Thank you, Ubisoft. Thank you. Thank you very much. My god, give me something interesting, please. Hello. Speak and you shall receive. Let me do that again. Speak and you shall receive. My Dutch accent is too thick. Just like my a. Okay. Okay, what do I want? Bailiff or Super Shorty Black Ice? Let's go. I mean, I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining, and my mouse disconnected. Great. Reconnect? No? No, you want reconnect? No? I'm stuck with... Okay, fun. Thank you. Thank you, game. Thank you. And we're back! I hope. No? No, okay, my mouse already disconnected once. Twice now. Fuck! Why? Alright, and we're back. I had to use my old shitty mouse because my new one that's over $50 does not work! Why? Alright, let's just get this over with. Last 5 alpha packs, and then we move on to the actual good stuff. God damn, the lowest DPI this thing can get is, I think, 800 or 1600. Well, I usually play on 400. Ooh! Hello! Oh. What the hell? No way! Alright, and now the last alpha pack. Show me the money! Ah. Don't I already? Yeah, I already have that one. Great. Alright, so we have one Year 8 Bravo pack from the Battle Pass. And 17 more other Bravo packs. So let's just do this one. Epic! Less epic. I don't really care for Rook Armor. Yay. Another charm. Because I love charms. Ooh, boy, I love charms. I love charms. Come on. 15 more Bravo packs, I think. Yeah, 15. You gotta give me something good. I have to wait, so that means it must be good. Wow. I really have to wait. Hello? Game? Bro, thank God. Okay, they made me wait for a reason. Oh! 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 Hell yeah. Oh, baby! Oh, okay, sure. Wait, no. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. Less interesting. Less interesting even more. Okay, more interesting. You've piqued my interest, kind sir. Okay. Wait, didn't I have this one yet? I guess not. Okay, that means that I now have Black Ice or Termite. That's nice. Blue. Nobody cares about blue. Good one, Luca. Thank you. Nobody cares. Nobody cares. I care. I care a lot. I care less. I care significantly less. I already have a cooler skin for that. I'm starting to care more. Okay, full set. I'll take that. I think I have the full complete set now. Like also the gun. Do I? Yes, I do. But do I even want to wear that? I mean... Yes. Yes, I do. 5 more Bravo picks. Another black eye. Frost all the way. Oh my god. Oh, where are you? Frost. Loadout. Secondary attachment skins. Okay. I mean... Bro got the drip. Sheesh. Another black eye. No, never mind. Trash. How is this even an epic? I mean, come on. Okay, so I don't think you can get black ice anymore for Ash R4C, but this is a pretty cool skin, so I'll take that. And last one is a green. How great, how fun. Okay, well that's it for my PC skins, but now we still have my PlayStation skins. Alright. Ignore the video and audio quality. I know it's bad. My PS4 isn't very new, let's just say that. 30 packs. 21 alpha and 1 Bravo pack, and then 8 beginner packs, which will open last. Alright, let's just begin with the alpha packs. Jesus Christ. Hey, legendary. Second one. Ah. I mean, I'll equip it, but ooh. Oof. Look at that. Oh! First Mac Ice. Oh! Hell yeah. Any black ice on my PS4 account is welcome. Because I literally only have Jaeger black ice. Oh, finally. New perp. And it's absolute ass. Great. Fantastic. Just what I needed. Black eye. Nope. I mean, that's decently cool. I can't see it because it's no gun skin, but still pretty cool. Hey, black eyes, although I already have a better skin for that. Blue eyes. Oh, that's useless. I'm not gonna use that. Alright, next up, Bravo packs and beginner packs. Alright. Bravo pack, let's go. Yeah. Oh, thank you, game. Thank you so much. That's really, really nice. Alright, let's see. What is this? What do I get out of this? Ooh! I mean, that's a cool skin. Especially for green. My god. What the hell's that noise? Ooh, perp, perp, perp. Ah. Well, that's a lame skin for a purple skin. Let's see. Sure. Gun skins, please. Yikes. What the hell? Sure. I like that one. Blue. Hibana. Damn. Okay, so our first green was our best beginner pack. Very nice. That's great. Hey, you know what? While I'm here, I might as well do the outro. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Yada yada yada. Like, subscribe. Yada yada yada. See you later. Bye.